Changing your gas boiler for a heat pump is probably the single most impactful thing someone can do to reduce their carbon footprint in this country. The technology already exists to successfully decarbonise the diverse housing stock we have here in the UK. We just now need to get it into people's homes. I'm Paul Smith and I'm the Managing Director of NIBE Energy Systems UK. NIBE are a European leader in the heat pump market with a global turnover of over £3.5 billion. First and foremost, a heat pump will help you reduce your carbon footprint as they do not use fossil fuels. As they use compressors and the refrigeration cycle, they are much more efficient than using a traditional gas boiler. A kilowatt of gas or a unit of gas will traditionally produce about 0.9 kilowatts of energy, whereas using a kilowatt of electricity in a heat pump will be 300 to 400 times efficient. So a well-designed, well-installed heat pump system could actually help you reduce your bills. They're an excellent choice for future-proofing your home. Despite record adoption this year, circa 90,000 heat pumps in the UK market, there are still 1.5 million gas boilers sold each and every year. So we still have a long way to go via retrofit to get to those numbers. Upfront prohibitive cost is a challenge for mass adoption of the heat pump market, but the elephant in the room is really the spark gap. That is the difference in cost between a unit of gas and a unit of electricity. Nations such as Sweden have shown us that the most successful markets for heat pump adoption are the ones where gas and electricity prices are more balanced. Well, there's been many myths around heat pumps over the past few years, and unfortunately a lot of that facilitated and driven by the media. Myths such as heat pumps don't work in cold climates. Well, NIBE's home country is Sweden. The Nordics has the most successful adoption of mass heat pump technology, so I think that one should answer that question. Heat pumps are noisy is another myth. Again, a well-designed, well-installed heat pump system should be around the same level of noise as a fridge freezer, which we all know are not too noisy. And then lastly, that your energy bills will rocket. Well, we have already spoken about the spark gap and how important that is, but a well-designed, well-installed heat pump system combined with a heat pump tariff or a balance of gas and electricity costs could actually help to reduce energy bills for homeowners. So it is important to note that decarbonisation will not happen quickly without confidence from consumers. So it's very important that these myths are not facilitated and that we're given the opportunity to dispel them.